All right, so logic and binary here at LB Dexter. As always, T got to the left. As you can see, we've got a Deebot Robot. I don't know. We got a vacuum. Deebot N8 Pro Plus. Not gonna say too much about it. Just a general unboxing. There are tons of videos that get into some serious detail on these robots. I'm not gonna do that. I went through these videos. Mad props to all these YouTubers that are doing vacuum videos. I think their attention to detail is ridiculous. Mad props. Special little shout out to Vacuum Wars. Detail as can be, and they're one of the reasons why I decided to go for the Deebot N8 Plus, aside from price. But just a quick shout out to them. Check out their channel. They have detailed information. If you're looking to get some serious info, go on there. If you want to cut to the shortcut, right now this is probably the best bang for your buck out there, hands down. This is rated one of the top vacuums out there by all the YouTubers that I've seen. Oh, most of them anyways. Top 5. But basically this is a real great one according to all my research. We'll find out for sure because it's going to go into my personal home, and of course I will do a review. It will never be as thorough as these other guys, so mad props to them. But let's get to the unboxing. Wait real quick, what did I want to say? 2600 pascals, laser now. Now we can put all that information right here. T-Guy, you got me on that? So I don't have to talk about it. You're just gonna what the fuck are you doing? I guess. I'm gonna take that as a yes. So anyways, let's get right down to it. Handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. Did you get the link for this, by the way? Yes. All right. Honestly though, this is a great knife. I haven't sharpened it in a few weeks, but it is a great knife. I'm gonna make sure that happens tonight. I guess I'll stand for this, huh? All right. Deebot. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I'm excited. I made T-Got come in and get this done because I wanted to open it, man. I almost didn't make it. I swear to you, I almost didn't make it. Every day since the second I got it, it was like, man, I want to open it. I want to open it. I want to open it. I was like, we don't need a video. Yeah, something like that. Man, I was like, you know, sometimes you just gotta vacate the premises to make sure, you know. But anyways, let's see what we got here. If the box is a little dirty, I do apologize. It is raining. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but if you can't, you gotta make it rain right now. All right. Anyways, inside the box is this is perfect. My goodness, that looks pretty. Oh, that looks beautiful, man. What does it say? It says open the box. That's what that means, right? Open the box. Let's open the box. There we go. A little bit of force there. Let's do it again. It's like a girl with tight jeans on. Don't act like you ain't never been there before, man. Oh, I got 1,000 viewers right now just laughing. Like I had 1,000 viewers. I gotta do this by myself because T-Got won't help me. I think I just got it farther in there, dude. All right, here we go. And it's out. Oh. All right, so here we go. Excited, man. Oh, I am really excited. Okay, robot back first. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lay these out just like you would if you had gotten it at home yourself. All right. And here is what appears to be the base. All right, now I will take a seat and get back to camera level here with you guys. Okay, so in here we have the mop attachment and micro mopping pad. We'll find out what those are for. They look a little different than this, but this is definitely the mopping pad. All right. And that's the mop attachment. Power. Here's an extra bag. I was told that it came with one extra bag, only one. And then here is story time, nighttime book for Tegot for your collection. So you could either read it before you go to bed at night or for your morning coffee. So anyways, what do we have on this side? Oh, the Brussels. Look, the Brussels. The Brussels. Yeah, the Brussels are there. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these in here for now. Let me just verify that there's nothing in these buoys here. Yeah, they're just buoys. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Yes! I love it. All right, let's get it out of here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Say it. It's heavy. It's heavy. It is. This is heavier than a PS5 for sure. For sure, heavier. No, sorry, heavier than an Xbox. Here we go. Here it is. The Deebot N8 Pro Plus. And up front. So, the reason why I decided to go with the Pro model versus just the regular N8, 100% mainly is because of this sensor here. It basically, you know, senses anything that's in front of it, so it won't run it over. The N8 doesn't have that. It just has the LiDAR on top. So it's my understanding that the app is incredible. The robot works really well. This system up here, the obstacle avoidance system up here, it's supposed to be just top drawer. Let's take a look at the underside here. Okay, so on the underside, we see these huge wheels. This unit right here comes with both Brussels and rubber. Here in the back is the water tank. Should I just go ahead and peel all this off? Yes. All right, getting back to our regularly scheduled program. Here we go. We remove the rubbers. Deebot N8 Pro Plus with the LiDAR detection and the obstacle avoidance system up in the front. This is the black version. I believe there's a white one, or I may be confused, but I believe there's a white one. This is indeed the black one, obviously. And I'm gonna go plug this thing. I'm gonna take this home, plug it in, set it all up. We'll get you some video of the app. We'll get you some video of the setup and things of that nature, and come back and do a quick review on that. But this has been Logic and Binary. Again, I am at LB Dexter. Tegot to the left as always, and we have the N8. Deebot N8 Pro Plus. Pro Plus. Logic and Binary. Signing out.
Yeah, hey, we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.